What's up guys, today we are going to Mcleodganj. It's 10 PM and we are on our way to SBT. Our bus is going to depart at 11 PM for Dharamshala. Distance between Delhi to Dharamshala is around 485 kilometers. We are traveling in Himalayan Roadways bus. The fare is about 600 rupees. It's going to be around 12 hours ride. So our estimation arrival time is around 11 in the morning.
Fill me out with your smile. Now the sunshine brings the light.
From here onwards, the mountain, beautiful scenic views and craziness of zigzag road has been.
After reaching Dharamshala, we took a local bus to Mcleodganj. The distance is about 5 to 6 kilometers. In Mcleodganj, our stay is at Sahil Plaza. It is a quite good hotel and we got a good deal on it. Our other friends have already reached and checked into the hotel. On next day we plan to explore local market and go to Bhagsunag fall. We found a good eating corner. The food is quite good at reasonable prices. They have both veg and non-veg meals. The food was so great that we hardly eat anything from other food corners.
distance of Bhagsunath temple is around 3.6 kilometers from our hotel. After that, there is a 1 kilometer of track to reach the waterfall. And so the day came to an end. We went back to our hotel, had some good sleep, in hoping that tomorrow is going to be an adventurous day.